ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live Fishing for Wishes raffle draw. This is for the Century Tip Tornado Super Match rod blank, and some lucky ticket and some lucky person is going to walk away with over £300 worth of rod blank. We do have a couple of other bonus prizes, which are one of these hats and one of these hoodies to give away, so there will be a couple of bonus prizes on offer. Okay, well, should we start proceedings? We've got Santa Claus here himself. He's having a nice relaxing pint. This is for the baseball cap. And the winner of the baseball cap is Mark Borley. Thank you very much. This is for the hoodie. And the winner of the hoodie is Christian Bowles, who has already bought two, so have a third. Thank you. And this is for the Century rod. This is the big one, guys. This is the big winning ticket. And the winner is Jeff, Bass Spinner on WSF. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your prize. Your rod will be sent to you, hand delivered or posted in the next 7 to 10 days. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for everybody that took part, and I hope you enjoyed the event.